So it's been already a day since I last shared my knowledge, my greatest strategies about how I can just simply tackle all my problems, how I can go and try to pursue all of my goals, whatever you if you want them, go watch the my previous video. In this video, I would like to share with you some of the problems that I face within just a day, which is today. I completely forgot about every strategy that I've built and I've shared with you yesterday. All of those like mindset, the law of attraction, and all of the other stuff. Like whenever you don't want to do the just one step at a time, or goals, or scheduling, whatever. For some reason, I just completely forget about every of them. That feels really strange. I know. I mean, I kind of have an answer of why I didn't do any of them. It feels like the problem. It's not actually kind of a problem. If you think about that, I'm gonna share with you what's the problem, kind of a. But if I'm feel embarrassed about with this problem, like literally. So I went came back from uni, and the first thing that I did, I just sat on my bed and I just didn't want to do anything. I didn't. I knew what I need to do. Just go and pursue some of the goals that I have for myself. But I just no, I don't want to do any of that. I wasn't tired at that moment. I wasn't bored at that moment. I just didn't want to do them. I just didn't want to face any of that because it felt hard, maybe not. I felt kind of lazy at that moment. And as it turns out, I didn't feel like doing it. I went on YouTube and started to watching some of the videos about mindset. Maybe that's the problem for mindset. Let me watch some videos by Iman Gadzi or Alex Amozi, Hamza Ahmed or Ahmed. I don't know how to pronounce his surname, but whatever. I just tried to watch a bunch of videos about how to, be someone who would like to do any of that. And then I realized, after watching maybe fifth video or something, I've realized that I'm again going the same way that I always go. Always, whenever I try to make some progress, I have some progress built up. I do some progress. But on some days, for some reason, I just try to not work at all. I don't feel like working. And I just go down, really procrastinating, like this terrible place. Again, going into the rut for some reason. I just remembered one of the easiest solution to this, and I can say on a macro level I know what's the problem, which is kind of a lack of aim, lack of inspiration or something. I didn't really wanted to pursue anything today. I just wanted to I don't know, I didn't want to do anything pretty much. I didn't want to watch any YouTube. Thank God. I didn't want to watch any anime. That was awesome, and I didn't want to just go and do some of those bad habits, because I said to myself, I'm not that piece of shit. I'm not gonna go and watch them. I just remembered that I'm not actually feeling like doing them. Like my body didn't want to go and watch any of those anime. I've stopped playing video games for 2 years now because none of the video games actually gives me any fun. I'm not inspired. I'm not interested in any of the games. I'm just tired of all of them. And now exactly the same thing happening with anime. I don't know what I would like to watch. I don't want to watch anything. I am just not interested in that shit. The same thing happening with YouTube as well. But sometimes I use it because it's actually a great source of inspiration and kind of a knowledge to learn something. But this solution on a macro level, exactly, I don't have an aim, I don't have something to strive for. But on a micro level, on a small level, on a day-to-day basis, the only problem that I've realized is that, let me actually open up a book where I found the solution. The solution from Atomic Habits by James Clear. So here it is. Atomic Habits, if you didn't watch it. If you don't know Atomic Habits, atomic, whatever. So on the page 161, there is one graph, figure 14, which just talks about decision making. So decisive moments. I kind of remember the fact that sometimes whenever you try to do something positive on some given day, you kind of open up yourself some more opportunities to do something even more positive about that. So for example, whenever you try to go and organize your room, you're giving yourself a good energy or something like this, positive mentality, positive energy to go and work, to go and do something better, something more productive, and try to pursue everything that you would like to have. Just simply, that's how it works. Whenever you have a good decision, you will have a more likelihood of doing even more better decision after that. And whenever you do some bad decisions, you will have even more opportunities to fuck up your next decision. That's how it pretty much works. And yesterday when I was recording my previous video, I was organizing my room. I was, just trying to work on this, work on that. I was trying to write a schedule where I was being really productive. And all of those decisions that I was doing yesterday actually led me to a greater outcome. But today, I kind of already, when I come back from university, I already kind of decided to go on those bad day scenarios, which is let me watch some YouTube. I don't feel like doing anything. The day was kind of a waste of time. My camera just stopped recording because it's 4K and it's all just for you. I'm hoping that this video quality was awesome. And that's how it pretty much always goes. Whenever you try to do some good decisions, your just next decisions will have a greater chance or the greater opportunity to make your day better. And whenever you have worse decision, you will have the better opportunity or the more opportunity to fuck up your day even more. That's how it pretty much always goes. Whenever you're trying to be productive and whenever you try to actually improve yourself, whenever you're trying to do something specifically, something productive, you will open up yourself to greater stuff. That's something that I completely forget, and that's something that I would like to fix tomorrow. Whenever I would not feel like doing anything, I would like to be at least productive and make some good decisions on that day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. And of course, I need to find out something to aim at, to think about, something that will inspire me, something that will captivate my brain. Otherwise, it just feels like not interesting. So yep, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow or maybe within the next couple of days. Bye.